Okay guys, we are back again. It is day 4 of the work. We have managed to clear some shrubs. I know it is a bit good looking, yeah, but still more work to be done. Still some few twigs remaining here and there. Let's see what we'll come up with. Yeah, I'm going to burn this bush here.
If any man among you seemeth to be wise in this world,
Let me
let him
rest
become a fool, that he may be
another day.
wise. For the wisdom of this world
Today we
is
managed only to work for 2 hours,
for it is written, he taketh
but
the wise
I was
in
planning
his own
to work at
craftiness.
least 3 hours
And again,
every day in this
the Lord
small
knoweth the thoughts
demo
of the
farm here.
wise, that they are vain. Therefore let
Okay,
no
let's
man
see
glory in men.
what is next.